Hi guys, for today's video, we're going to learn about forming expressions. So, in a ribbon of length 7 cm is joined to a ribbon of length n cm and a ribbon of length m cm. Form an expression for the total length of the new ribbon form. So, in this kind of problem, you have to take a look carefully about what's being asked. Yeah. So it says that a ribbon of length is 7 cm. It is joined to a ribbon of length n cm and a ribbon of length m cm. So what are the variable do you have? So you have n, you also have m, and you also have 7, or the constant is 7. And the question is asking for total length. So that means if you see these words total, they're asking for the totality of the ribbon. So what are you going to do is n plus m plus 7. So you add them all. But writing letters in alphabetical order can help you keep them organized in your answer. So you can put it in alphabetical order. So in this way, we can write m first, followed by n, and then the constant is the last one. Okay, so this will be the simplified form of this expression. So let's have another one. So Anna has three lengths of ribbon that are n cm each, so plus another length of 7 cm. Find an expression for the total length of ribbon that Anna has. So Anna has three lengths of a ribbon, yeah, and those ribbon are n cm each. So we can write or we can construct that 3 since there are 3n, so 3n, and then another one is 7. So plus 7 because the question is asking for the total length. All right. So we can just simply write 3n or 3 times n plus 7. And then to include the unit, so because it said cm, so you can enclose your answer into parentheses and then put the cm outside, right? So this will be the simplest form. Okay, let's have some more. Fear, Katie, Otis, and Jack are thinking of numbers. So they're thinking of numbers. Fear's number is n. So Fear's number is n. Write an expression for Katie's number. If it is 7 more than Fear's number. So Fear's number is n, right? And Katie's number is 7 more than Fear's. So all you have to do is just add 7 on Fear's number, right? So Katie's number is n plus 7. All right, another one. Otis number. Find Otis number if it is 3 times Fear's number. So 3 times. Again, Fear's number is n. Otis number is 3 times Fear's number. So we can just write n times 3. Or simplify it into 3n. One more. So since Fear's number is n, so Jack's number, find Jack's number if it is 1 more than Otis number. So look at letter B. Otis number is n, right? Otis number is 3n. But Jack's number is 1 more than Otis number. So you just add 1 on the last part. So Jack's number is 3n plus 1. Okay. So for letter D, Jack number is 19. So Jack number is 19. Write an expression to show how Jack's number is linked to Pierce's number. So Jack's number is 19. But look at problem letter C. So Jack's number, if it is one more than Otis' number, so Jack's number is 3n plus 1. And then from this statement from letter D, Jack's number is 19. Is means equal. Okay, and then put 19. So you already have an equation now here, right? Now, so let's have more problem examples. So for example, if you have this shape, let's say it is 4 cm, it's 9 cm, 8 cm, and then this is 2 cm. So from form an equation for a perimeter. So if you are looking for a perimeter, what will be your expression? We all know is perimeter is the sum of all sides, right? Perimeter is the sum of all sides. So all you have to do is add all the numbers or add all the sides of the shape. So let's start with A. So P is equal to A plus 2 plus 4 plus 9. And then as I've said, put it in a bracket and then put the unit outside of the bracket. Then simplify the constant. So P is equal to A plus. So what is 2 plus 4 plus 9? That is 15 cm. So therefore, the perimeter of this shape is A plus 15 cm. Okay, let's have one more. So let's say you have this shape. So let's say this is 2 cm, 4 cm, x cm, y cm, and 3 cm. So again, the same questions. You are looking for the perimeter of the shape. So you start with x. As I've said earlier, that it's more better if you put your answer in alphabetical order. So we can say that x plus y there, plus 3, plus 2 here, plus 4 cm. Then simplify. So x plus y plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 is 9. Put in a bracket cm. And this is the perimeter of this shape in an expression form. Alright, so that's all for today. Bye.